Why does nature inspire us? Why are we in awe of certain places? You see, we're all drawn to beauty, though our views of beauty may differ widely. Beauty speaks to our hearts. We feel ourselves connected to it, which makes us appreciate everything around us as we become truly present in the moment. There really is nothing more humbling than being face to face with something so much bigger than yourself. It reminds me that we have so much more to learn, so much more to grow, as we are only just a tiny speck in this incredibly vast universe.